how to create the best portfolio on Behance. So all you have to do is just type Behance right here and you will see this link and site. What you're going to do is you have to click the very first one here that says Behance Showcase Discover and Hire Creative. So if you don't know, this one is a social and networking platform owned by Adobe where creative professionals showcase and discover creative work. So if you want to showcase your project, your work, especially if you are a social media, if you are a voice actor, if you're an editor, then this platform is the one for you. So this is what it looks like. You can see here sample artwork, sample projects of other freelancers. You can see it right here. And if you want to view a specific account or profile to get some information, not to copy, but to get information, you can basically go and then tap this hire freelancers, or you can just basically look, or you can just look from any of this work right here. For example, this one, tap this one. So this is the name of the artist. This is his work. Very fantastic, right? And if you want to view and look for any inspiration, so you can just basically tap this one right here to view the person's profile. This is what it looks like. This is the picture. This is like his banner. This is the name. Okay, so the name, also her or his, I think her address. You could also tap message right here. This is what it looks like. Project views, appreciations, followers. Okay, also she added her social media accounts right here, teams, links, about, email address, and here is her project and artwork. As you can see, this account is very simple, but there are tons of clients who want to hire this person, this artist. So once you get some idea and inspiration, you can now create your own. So to start, you just have to click sign or sign in. Then you will see this option, create an account. Tap this one. Now you can create an account here on Behance by just connecting to your Google, Facebook, Apple account, Microsoft, Line, and Kakao. So for me, I want to connect my Behance to Google account. So as you can see, welcome to Behance. You have two options. I'm a creative freelancer. I'm a hirer. So of course, you're going to select the first one here since you want to showcase and you want your client to discover your work. Tap the first one. Now, as you can see here, pick one or more topics. So let's just say you wanted to showcase your works about your graphic design or your pictures, photography, illustration. Let's just say you're good at fashion, product design, fine arts, and so on. So let's just say you wanted to showcase your product design projects or artworks. You can click this one right here and then see my custom feed. Okay, if you want. So click this one and it's now creating your custom feed. Gathering great products. So as you can see here, these are the samples of people with the same niche or same artwork with you. But before that, also, they want you to select your plan. There is a huge advantage if you want to upgrade your plan here on Behance. So as you can see, if you upgrade your plan into Behance Pro, you will get these features, which is of course a good way or a good advantage for your client to see you or for you to promote or showcase your artwork for your profile to be on top. Okay, you can start your free trial if you want, but for this tutorial, let's just try to continue with our free plan. Okay, so again, these are the artwork of other freelancers here. Now, what you're going to do is you can tap add yours if you have your collection already, or you can just go to your profile and set or create a best portfolio. Okay, so this is your name, your email address. So if you tap your profile here, you can see Behance profile, Adobe portfolio, edit my availability, stats, and so on. But I want to tell you that most of the features here are not for free. You need to unlock, you need to upgrade your plan. So let's tap this Behance profile so that we get some. So if you base on the account that we viewed earlier, it was a simple profile. So as you can see here, what we're going to do is we will do the same thing, not copy, but of course we were inspired by her profile. So first we're going to add a banner image right here. So I strongly suggest to use Canva. If you don't know how to create using Canva, you can use other platform. But for me, the easiest way to edit something is Canva. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, especially if you're using Canva Pro. So for you to make it sure, you can go and then ask for the perfect dimensions for Behance profile banner. So this is the perfect dimension. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Canva and then tap this custom size. And you have to copy this for the width. Okay, 3200. Okay, paste it right here. Also this one. And create new design. Okay, so this is where you're going to edit or design your Behance profile banner. And as you can see here, there are tons of designs that you can use. And I just want to tell you that I'm using the Pro version, which I strongly suggest. But if you're using the basic version, it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to tap this one right here. And actually, there are tons of designs that you can use. For example, this one, it's up to you. So I think this one is okay for me. So once done, tap share, go to download, make sure it's PNG, and then download. Go back to your Behance profile, and then let's add the banner here. Wait as it is processing. Now you can drag the position, of course. I want people to see my name. Okay, click done. And of course, in order for you to promote or to build a good or excellent portfolio, you must have your profile picture. So you have to click this one right here or tap edit profile. And you need to add your face and then add your information here. For example, product designer, something like that. And then company, you can say here LXC company. You can add more company here. And then let's say based on Hong Kong. Okay, so you can tap each right here and then look for Hong Kong. And then city, you can just leave this one. If you have your site, then you can just basically copy and then paste it right here. For example, if you have WordPress or Wix for your client to see your artwork or more of your projects, you could just basically paste it right here. And then, okay, you can also add your Twitter account, LinkedIn, Instagram, which I strongly suggest because as you can see, if you notice the profile that we viewed earlier, she added or connected her social media account so that if she posted, she display or she build excellent profile there, people will be more motivated to get her or to hire her. So I strongly suggest to connect your social media account on the web. Okay, also your Facebook. Okay, as long as you have about me, you can add about me here. Okay, so I have added here about me. And if you want to add work experience, you can tap this one. And this is what it looks like. So now it's about time to add your projects right here. So you can just basically upload your project, or to make it more enticing, I strongly suggest to go to Canva again and then just put your picture here just like a collection, your artwork. So for example, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So for example, this one, what you're going to do here is you have to go to elements and then you have to look for frame. Okay, frame, type frame. You have to look for frame and then you can tap see all. So if you want to select something like this, yes, you can. What you're going to do is just add your pictures or your artwork here. So here I have added a design. Also, I want to add some frames right here. This is where you're going to add your pictures. Okay, so you can enlarge this one right here and then add your sample arts right here. And here it is. So basically you can add more, you can design more. Actually, this is the reason why I like Canva. What you're going to do now is you can basically share this one, tap download, make sure it's PNG, download and go back to your Behance, tap create a project, add your picture here. you can add text. Okay, think like Andrea. We can edit this one. So you can add also like photo grid, video if you want. Okay, so you can also edit the picture inside the Behance. Once done, click continue. Now you can add sample project, project tags, okay, tools used. You can add it right here. How would you categorize this project? Everything is up to you. Behance visibility. So after that, you can now click publish. Now it's publishing your project. And here it is. So if I'm going to go back to my profile, or if your client look at your profile, then here is the result. You can add more projects here. Basically, that's it. Always make sure that you have added all information needed here. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.